Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Elden Ring. First, you'll choose a starting class like Warrior or Astrologer, which influences your initial stats and gear. Then, customize your character's look and pick a keepsake for a starting boost. After that, complete the tutorial in the Cave of Knowledge to grasp basic movement, combat, and the game's core mechanics. This initial setup is crucial for your journey into the Lands Between. As you venture forth, exploration is key. Discover hidden dungeons, valuable items, and new sites of grace. When facing enemies, observe their attack patterns carefully. Dodging at the right moment is vital for survival. Don't forget to use your spirit ashes, which can draw enemy aggro and provide crucial support in tough fights. Mastering these elements will significantly improve your chances of success. To grow stronger, collect runes from defeated enemies and spend them at sites of grace to level up your attributes. Focus on stats that complement your chosen playstyle, like Vigor for health or Strength for melee damage. At the Round Table hold, you can upgrade your weapons and armor using smithing stones, significantly boosting their effectiveness. Don't hesitate to try various equipment to find your perfect setup. Boss battles are central to Elden Ring. Each boss has distinct phases and attack sequences. Learning these is crucial for victory. Don't be afraid to summon other players or non-player characters to aid you in these challenging encounters. Persistence is key, and every defeat offers a chance to learn. Overcoming these formidable foes will reward you with significant runes and powerful items, advancing your journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.